Hello friends, welcome to our channel Quiz with Sanvika. I am your host Swagatika
and I am Sai Sanvika.
In this channel, we are going to share some of the interesting quiz questions on different topics. So in this video, let's know about some famous Indian cuisines.
Let's start.
What is the name of traditional Odia cuisine consisting of cooked rice lightly fermented in water? Options are A. Kanika, B. Khichdi, C. Pakhado, and D. Kanji.
Answer is Sipakhala.
What is the name of the Gujarati culinary dish which is made with a fermented batter derived from legumes like chickpea, pigeon pea and urad and rice? Options are A. Khakra, B. Dhokla, C. Basundi and D. Ghogra.
Answer is B. Dhokla.
What is name of Kerala and Tamil Nadu dish made of steamed cylinder of ground rice layered with coconut shavings? Options are A. Appam, B. Guzia, C. Idiyappam and D. Puttu.
Answer is D. Puttu.
Which popular dish in Himachal Pradesh is commonly eaten with ghee during the winter season to maintain body temperature? Options are A. Litti, B. Siddu, C. Momos and D. Singori.
Answer is D. Siddu.
Which famous sweet in Andhra Pradesh is wrapped in a wafer-thin rice starch layer resembling papers and is stuffed with sugar, dry fruits and nuts? Options are A. Putha Rekulu, B. Kajikayelu, C. Garazi and D. Pakkam Garelu.
Answer is A. Putharekulu.
What is the traditional cuisine in Bihar which consists of wheat and sattu? Options are A. Kadi Badhi, B. Litti Chokha, C. Khaja and D. Tilkut.
Answer is B. Litti Chokha.
What is the traditional delicacy in Rajasthan which is fried dough balls and mixing it with ghee? Options are A. Litti Chokha, B. Kadi Pakoda, C. Bakir Khani and D. Dal Bati Churma.
Answer is D. Dal Bati Churma.
Which is popular street food in Sikkim, which is bite-sized dumplings made with a spoonful of stuffing wrapped in dough? Options are A. Momo, B. Manda, C. Thukpa and D. Gandruk.
Answer is A. Momos.
Which popular cuisine is originating from the kitchens of the Nizams of Hyderabad? Options are A. Hyderabadi Halim, B. Hummus, C. Hyderabadi Biryani, and D. Bharat.
Answer is C. Hyderabadi Biryani.
Which is most anticipated winter Bengali dessert made from date pan jaggery? Options are A. Nolin Gurur Sandesh, B. Joynagar Ermoya, C. Lancha, and D. Jolvara Sandesh.
Answer is A. Nolin Gurur Sandesh. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell icons to get the new upcoming videos.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.